The Hills hoist was a great Australian invention. It works fantastic on a nice sunny day to dry clothes, but that's not today. The off-grid heat source that's available today for drying clothes is the wood heater. The clothes rack in front of the fire is the traditional way of drying clothes on this sort of day, but it only serves to block the traffic in front of our wood heater, so my wife has a better solution. So here's my wife's solution. An indoor clothesline that is over the fireplace but can be raised to get it out of the road. Up here above the wood fire you have a little air movement, and the heat is all up here with the high ceiling, so it dries very nicely. The frame of this clothesline is simply a timber frame, an A-frame there you see on the end. It hangs from a single stainless wire connected to 3 pulleys, and the winch is simply a low-cost, lightweight boat winch. Works fine. Doesn't look as pretty as some, but a lot cheaper than the winches that I was otherwise able to find.